What if I told you that every minute someone's become a victim of violence just because of their gender? This is not just a news headline. This is reality. I'm Ryan, and today we'll uncover the truth behind gender-based violence around the world. Gender-based violence is any harmful act directed at someone because of their gender. This includes physical, sexual, psychological, and economic abuse, often affecting women, girls, LGBTQ+, individuals, and even men.
Kaso ng online
In the
gender-based
Philippines,
violence
domestic
tumaas pa
violence
sa panahon
remains
ng
a pressing
pandemya.
issue. The Anti-Violence Against Women and Their Children Act, or RA 9262, was enacted to protect victims, yet challenges persist, especially in rural communities where access to support services is limited.
The 1 Billion Rising campaign is a global movement towards change.
We have to be more aggressive in our fight against gender inequality and discrimination.
Globally, GVV manifests in various forms. In India, the 2012 Nirbhaya case sparked nationwide protests and led to legal reforms. Campaigns like 1 Billion Rising and Bell Bajao have mobilized communities to take a stance against violence.
Bring domestic violence to a halt. Ring the bell.
It's happening in our homes, streets, and schools. And unless we talk about it, it will never stop. Gender-based violence is not just a woman's issue. It's a human issue. We can combat GVV by educating ourselves and others, speaking out against abuse, supporting survivors, and promoting gender equality. Organizations worldwide are working tirelessly to create safe environments for all. Let's work to create a world where everyone feels safe, no matter their gender. Please share this video, talk about it with others, and help make a positive difference.